Hey friends, Harold Long here. Glad you're with me today. I have the first book from the BIG Delusion, Shattering the BIG Delusions of Alcoholism and Addiction. Before I open, I just want to tell you what this book is not. This book is not a 12-step book. It's not a religious book. It's not a critique of anything in recovery. It's basically what I've seen, what I've heard, and what I've experienced as a theologian, as a pastor, as somebody who's been a volunteer in corrections for over 30 years, or somebody who's been involved as a recovery advocate for over 30 years, close to 40. And so that's what this book is about. And it's about tackling the big delusions of alcoholism and addiction. So I hope you find the book as a resource, whether you're somebody who's trying to get sober, get clean, somebody who has been clean and sober for a long time, or somebody who's a friend, loved one, significant other, spouse, parent of someone who's struggling with alcohol or addiction, or somebody who's a clinician, a healthcare worker in the Department of Corrections, a prosecutor, a defense attorney, a judge, a warden, anybody in that context that is on the front line of the alcoholic and addict. This book will be, I think, a great resource. It was born from workshops we did with probation and parole here in Missouri back in the 90s. And that's how this piece of work got started, and it just evolved to what it is today. Today it's titled The Big Delusion, Shattering the Delusions of Alcoholism and Addiction. So let's open this book. Let's see what it looks like. Let's check it out together and give it a shot. What do you say? Let's see what this thing looks like. Bada bing, bada boom. There you go. There's the soft edition. And there is the hardcover, and both great resources, and they'll be available on April the 7th, but you can order them. You can see here on the website below, you can get them there, or you can get them on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. But if you want, or a personal service, or if you want a signed copy, if you want anything like that, order them from the website, and we'll get them to you by April 7th. The pre-launch was February 23rd. The live launch will be March 27th here in St. Louis. If you'd like to come to that, you can get on the website and you can see a link to sign up for that. And then ultimately the book gets launched on April the 7th. So I hope you find the book as a resource to anybody suffering from alcoholism and addiction. And I hope more than anything, it makes a big difference in how your life turns out. Thanks for being a part of it. It's been a long journey.